All right, so for this lesson, we're going to open this 1920 by 1080, and if you hit Control Shift D, I like to get rid of the checkerboard as usual. And of course, the first thing you should do is save it somewhere. Um, I'm on a school computer, so I don't know where I should save it. Maybe I'll just go to Documents. What do we got? I haven't done this in a while. Yeah, I guess we could do new folder, Adobe, and Illustrator. And there we'll do heart shape. Heart. Yeah. All right. So what I want you to do is make a heart shape, and what we'll do is, oh, it's asking me for this. Just say okay, and let's make a square. If you hold Shift and you drag out the square shape, it will constrain to a nice square shape. And if you double click or single click this, you can change it to red. And now I'm going to go back to the selection tool, and I'm going to hold Alt. And when you hold Alt, if you hold Shift, it will keep it in a straight line, either vertically or it looks like it also does 45-degree angle. But let's go out to the side and let go. And by the way, if you hit Control D now, it'll make another one. But before you do that, what I want to do is click on it and then pull this in until it becomes a circle. So you can actually make a circle out of a square. And I'm going to hold Alt and drag out another copy and position it until it looks like it's centered and snapping into place right there. And then we'll do the same thing for this and let go. And so now we have essentially a heart shape, but I want you to join the separate shapes by using this tool. And you'll notice as you mouse over, it turns speckled. And let's go ahead and leave this middle part not selected. And so now let's select the whole thing and change the stroke to be like way thicker. And while it's selected, by the way, we can drag this out. And interestingly enough, it made multiple copies, and that must be because it came from 3 different shapes, I'm guessing. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to delete the extras. And while these are selected, in fact, maybe we can make this look a little bit like an apple. You know, the Apple logo where it's got the little leaf. But anyways, I'm going to select that, all of that, and go to the appearance panel, which I actually had open already, so now it closed it. And you might have to hit this little down arrow thing to get the opacity to open up. But I want you to make the opacity on the stroke 75%. And if you hit Z, you might get a better look at what's going on here. You can see that I made the stroke really wide, 20 pixels wide, and then I changed the opacity so you can actually see that it's sort of overlapping the red and overlapping the white. And yeah, so there it is. Whoops. And if you hit Control 0, it'll drop back out to here. And what I want you to do to turn it into canvas is just use the snipping tool to take a picture of this area right here and upload it to Canvas. Okay, so that's it for this one. Like and subscribe.